Welcome back to another edition of FAQ on Trading, the frequently asked questions about trading. Today's topic is going to be a very important topic, actually, and it comes as a result of a big loss. Well, relatively big loss. For me, it's manageable, but for some, it may be big. It's all relative, right? But it's unnecessary. That's the whole point. It doesn't matter if it's a dollar loss or $10,000 loss. Is unnecessary because it shouldn't have happened. And that is what led me to make this very important video. Today's topic would be the most dangerous trade you can make. So that's the FAQ on trading. The topic today is, what is the most dangerous trade that you can make? The most dangerous trade you can make is a trade that you broke every single rule in the book. You shorted a strong stock. You fought the trend. You did not cut your losses. You kept adding to your losses. You shorted during the zombie hours. Basically, every bad rule, every rule you break. And you make money. That is the most dangerous trade. Because that is what happens during the run. I had a good 2-week run where I top ticked everything, and then I got a little confident. So I stuck around during the zombie hours, started to trade, to start shorting stocks. I don't care if it's strong or not. I just started just to scalp and trade. That's because I got away with it. For the past 2 weeks, I got away with a lot of bad habits. I shouldn't be shorting strong stocks front side at all. Wait for the backside. But I got away with it. And I made good money getting away with it. Which led me to today. Today's stock, ZSAN. ZSAN. It's just one of these stocks that started at $2, and then all of a sudden it kept on going up and up. And by the time it peaked at $6.50 or something ridiculous like that. From $2 to $6.50. Barely gave back any moves straight up. Kept grinding. Every time you think the top is coming, boom. It would fake the top, drop a little bit, give you the impression that it would peak. And then it would skyrocket. And that's how you blow your entire account. I ended up trading 350,000 shares of that stock. Now think about that. 350,000 shares. I didn't hold all of it at once. That's the total buys and sells, right? So basically I was scalping in and out all day. What I did was, every time I thought the top was coming. But what I did well, if there's a silver lining, I lost $10,000, which is actually not that bad. Very manageable, not that bad at all. I can make that back very easily. But for the Saturdays I trade, that's not bad at all. My problem was this. I broke every rule in the book leading up to this today. And I made money. So I'm like, dude, so I forgot the discipline. I forgot all of the good habits, which led me to this streak. So what did I tell you? The hardest hurdle to trading is this, guys. You can make money 2 straight weeks, 1 straight month, 100 straight days. Do not let that one loss take away all your gains and then some. And that is the most dangerous trade in the world right there, guys. The most dangerous trade is when you broke your rules and you've got comfortable with it, and that became your daily habit. Your bad habit became your normal routine. So this is why it's very important. You do not break your rules. I make money every single day before 10:30. Today, I was like, hey, I didn't make enough. I made $2,000, which is a lot for some people, but I was like, dude, my goal is 4,000 a day at least, right? So it's just stupid. It's just arbitrary crap in my head, right? It doesn't matter what the goal is, but I knew it was going to happen because I got away with it every day. Every day I was like, oh, I didn't make enough. So I stick around, and then I end up making double, breaking the rules. And then, boom, the black swan comes. But it's not a black swan, guys. Black swans come maybe once every 2 weeks, man, in trading. Black swans happen all the time. They are not one-offs, guys. That happen all the time. So the most dangerous trade is one where you break your rules and you make money, you got away with it. So that becomes your bad habit routine. And the hardest hurdle, once again, of day trading is this. It's not making money. It's not letting that one loss wipe out your entire streak. Okay, guys? So I learned my lesson today. Thank goodness I only lost $10,000. Carrying the size I did, I could easily have blown $50,000, $100,000. I mean, I was just stupid. How do you mitigate this? Okay, you mitigate this by sticking your rules. Do not short strong stocks after 10:30. I call that the zombie rule. Have a max size in place. I actually did have a max size, which is I had 20,000 shares max size, but then you have a max loss, which it ballooned down to a lot more. I salvaged myself, but I broke all sorts of rules today, guys. That's because in my head, I'm like, ooh, I made money in the past 2 weeks. It's a cushion. I'm going to cushion it. But you know what, man? You could cushion your way all the way to the beginning of the eternity. And then you're going to end up like breaking every rule. Every day you need to treat it as a new trading day. There's no cushion, guys. There's no cushion. Just because you made money yesterday doesn't mean you should be losing that money today. Just because you made money 2 weeks in a row does not mean you should be losing that in one day. Rules are there for a reason, guys. So what's the next step after you make a loss like this? Your confidence goes down. First step is tomorrow. My goal is to end the day green by just $1. At least. Just end the damn day green. Size down. I don't need to make it all back. The key is to rebuild my good habits. Get back to form. I broke my form today. I'm one of those guys who was doing great, let's say batting, Major League Baseball, and then I do something stupid and I start hitting home runs when I'm a base hit hitter, So you need to get back to that form. You need to build your confidence. And how do you build your confidence? By repetition. One win at a time. Get your confidence back, pal. Get confidence back. That's the bottom line. So there you have it. The most dangerous trade in the world, in my opinion, the most dangerous trade for yourself, for your career, are ones where you break every rule, you make money, and then that becomes your new habit. Okay? When you let that one red day slip based on the fact that you had a good streak. So when you have a good streak, be very careful, guys. Be very careful because you get cocky, get arrogant, you break all your rules. So do not let that streak. So when you're on that streak, risk management is key because it plays in your head, man. You're thinking you're right. You made all this, it's like a trick. Last time you made money because it tricked you and stuff. So be very careful. Stick to your rules every day. Don't get arrogant. What happened yesterday, forget it. Today's a new day. Every day is a new day in trading. Today I lost money. Tomorrow, I'm starting from scratch. I'm zero. I remember this. I'm going to go back to basics. Go back to basics. All right. Good luck trading, guys.